The FTX saga continues. We have just learned that while the Bahamian government was involved in the large amount of cryptocurrency that left the FTX exchange, there was actually a separate hacker. Let me give you the full rundown right now. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about all the brand new information that has come out about the FTX hack. For those that don't know, Sam Bankman-Fried was ordered to transfer a very large amount of cryptocurrency to the Bahamian government. This was done under the guise of safekeeping of this cryptocurrency. And while this is true, many of them blamed them for the entire hack. It turns out this is not true. There is still a hacker out there that stole a tremendous amount of cryptocurrency on top of what was taken by the Bahamian government. In this video, I'm going to be telling you all about that, as well as going into a deep dive of Ethereum technical analysis. Before that happens, though, I just have to let you know this week is the last week you're going to be able to get our indicators on sale. November 25th, this Friday, Black Friday, is the last day of the sale where you can get up to $450 off our Trade Confident indicators. So if you've been thinking about grabbing them, now is the time to do it. I'll give you more information about that at the end of the video, but for now, let's talk about the hack. The FTX hacker dumps 50,000 Ethereum, still among the top 40 Ether holders. The FTX hacker drained nearly $447 million out of multiple FTX Global and FTX US exchange wallets just hours after the crypto exchange filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy on November 11th. The majority of the stolen funds were in Ethereum, making the exploiter the 27th largest Ethereum whale. On November 20th, the FTX wallet Drainer 1 transferred 50,000 Ethereum to a new address. The new wallet address then swapped the Ethereum for REN BTC, which is an ERC20 version of Bitcoin, and then bridged the two wallets on the Bitcoin blockchain. One of the wallets held 1,070 REN Bitcoin, while the other wallet held 2,444 REN Bitcoin. Crypto analytic group Certicate later tracked the bridged REN Bitcoin on the wallet address and found that the address employed a money laundering technique called peel chain to launder the REN Bitcoin. A peel chain is a technique to launder a large amount of cryptocurrency through a lengthy series of minor transactions. A small portion is peeled from the subject's address in a low-value transfer. These incremental laundered funds are often transferred to exchanges where they can be converted to fiat currency or another crypto asset. At the time of the FTX hack, there were two parties involved, one black hat that managed to drain $447 million and a white hat that managed to move $186 million of FTX assets to cold storage. However, when Bahamian Securities and Exchange Commission released a notice suggesting that they are trying to move assets from FTX, it raised many eyebrows, with many claiming that the securities regulator was in fact the black hat behind the exploit. On-chain analyst Zach XBT highlighted the token transfer pattern of the Black Hat wallet and said that the wallet was dumping tokens and bridging sporadically was a very different behavior from the other addresses that withdrew from FTX and instead sent to a multi-sig on chains like Ethereum or Tron. Looking at the movement of funds and the techniques involved in the transfer of these funds, it's unlikely that the FTX wallet Drainer 1 is under the control of the Bahamian government based on today's on-chain activity. The Bitcoin activity is consistent with peel chain, a form of money laundering that would be highly unusual for a government agency to be involved in. Well, there you have it, guys. The Bahamian government was involved in the large amount of cryptocurrency that left the FTX exchange last week. However, they were fully transparent about it, even going so far as to make a press release showing exactly what they were doing and why. However, there is a hacker out there that still has custody of over $477 million worth of cryptocurrency that is being laundered as we speak. There are experts on it that are trying to track them down, and we will see and keep everyone updated as more information comes. However, this was not fully the work of the Bahamian government as previously believed. However, they did have a part in it, but again, they were fully transparent as to what was going on. With that, let's talk about the Ethereum technical analysis. Right now, I'm looking at ETH USD, the TC top and bottom finder metric on the TradeConfident.io website. If you want access to these metrics, be sure to click the link in the description to grab access. Ethereum is sitting at strong structure support that we saw after the FTX exchange collapse here. We are right at that same level. It is not quite a new market bottom yet. We can see in past history that we have gone a little bit farther down, but that is a new structure support when we get there. The price structure is staying below the blue midline here, proving that we are in a downtrend. We're also maintaining strong structure support at the green line here. Checking out the 4-hour time frame here, we got a strong buy and a buy signal right here, pretty much in the same spot we saw a strong buy signal back after the FTX exchange collapse. We are sitting at exactly the same structure support. Let me remove the TC top and bottom finder here. Exactly the same same structure support at $1,072 here. Now, this is a great structure support. This was maintained for a very long time. And as you can see, this is actually kind of interesting here. The current structure that we are forming right now is eerily similar to the one that happened in June and July of this year. Based on this, I wonder if we're going to see a similar accumulation pattern that happened right here, swaying between $1,000 and $1,277 up here as structure resistance. I do have this marked down over here. We would need to see the price break down and move back down to 1,000 to get that full accumulation period. But for now, the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow are low on their charts. Price versus well money flow is actually in the midsection here, showing that we could see moves in either direction, but trend exhaustion is low, showing we are more likely to move up. On top of this, we got strong buy and buy signals from the TC top and bottom finder, further indicating a possible move up. 1 day time frame shows a little bit more bullish here. Trend exhaustion is still in one of the bottom red sections, and price versus well money flow is lower, indicating a possible move up again. So we are seeing more bullish sentiment on Ethereum here. For now, I'm going to be eyeing a move back up to 1,175 to meet structure resistance right here at previous structure support that we had previously broken down out of after the hacker had started making moves and laundering the money. This is an ever-evolving situation, so we will have to keep you guys updated. No matter what, though, these indicators are going to be extremely helpful, so if you want to get access to them, be sure to click the link in the description. Once you do, it'll bring you to this page here. This is our Black Friday indicator sale. It is live. In order to get the best possible deal here, what you're going to want to do is snag the bundle pack first. This will give you the price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion indicators, as well as 7 other amazing indicators you can use in your trades. On top of this, it'll include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder and TC or market reversal charts here. Now, if you use code SAVE50 at checkout with the bundle pack, this will give you a total of $450 discount, our biggest sale of the year, guys. So if you want to get access, it is lifetime access for a one-time payment, and you get full dedicated support. So if you ever have any questions, be sure to email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. With that, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. You're going to want to subscribe, guys. This is an ever-evolving situation. We are going to keep you updated step by step. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.